So there's also different features you can add that are not here necessarily, like music, pen. I'm going to just do the pen. And now I have this added pen. So you can see in my pen, I could draw things. So let's say I wanted, I'm going to get rid of her jumping around. Let's say I wanted to draw a square. And this would work. We can do it for a new one. If the ballerina on the snow is confusing you, I'm going to make it empty. All right, so I'm going to have the cat draw something. So when the flag is pressed, let's go back to my event. When the flag is pressed, I'm going to go to my pen and I'm going to set the color. All right, I'll leave it at this brown color. And then we are going to go to motion, move 10 steps. So let me show you what happens. I'm going to move 50 steps. Nothing. Why didn't anything happen? Because actually every sprite is holding an imaginary pen in their hand. And you don't see it because it's imaginary. But I forgot to put it down. So they're holding a pen, but it's defaulted up. So that's why they're not drawing. But if your pen was down, imagine if you're walking on your, I guess, and you can color. So you put your pen down, and now when you move 50 steps, it's going to color it. So let's try this. Now I'm going to do it. Yeah, now you can see I just drew 50 steps, and these are really small steps. And then, and I just drew a brown line, but I want to actually draw a square. So to do a square, I'm going to put it in a loop. Now, how many times do you think I would have to do this? To make a square, I'm going to do 4 times, not 44, that, here, we don't need the pen color. We should move, and I'm going to do a little bigger than, I'm going to do 100 to make it a little bigger, the square. Move 100, and then I want to turn 90 degrees for a square. So I'm going to do 100 steps, then turn, 100 steps, then turn, 100 steps, then turn, 100 steps, then turn. So let's move this here and start. You can see, so it did 4 times. It went 100 steps, turned, 100 steps, turned, 100 steps, turned, until it was back to the beginning. So here, this is a little bit of a pen feature, and that if you wanted to use the pen feature to have your sprite draw, you can put down your pen, change it to whatever color you want, because every sprite is holding this imaginary pen.